Hello everyone! Have you ever stepped into the mysterious world of black chickens? If not, let me take you on an enchanting and captivating journey. Black chicken, a special animal inside and out. Not only their shiny black fur, but their legs, fur, and even their flesh all have a mysterious black tone. This is what makes them stand out and attractive among thousands of other poultry species in the world. In China, black chicken is not only a normal dish, but also considered a treasure of health. Their meat is not only delicious but also extremely nutritious, helping consumers restore their health effectively. Therefore, it is not surprising that thousands of black chicken farms were built across this country, turning them into symbols of nobility and wealth. Currently, each black chicken in China costs about $20. Black chicken farms are not just places to raise chickens, but are also part of the community, where people can find closeness to nature. The number of chickens on each farm usually ranges from 1,000 to 5,000 chickens, depending on the size and area of the farm. Black chickens are raised freely, allowing them to be exposed to the natural environment and fresh air. This makes them healthier and more resistant to disease. Farmers need to be careful and meticulous in each selection step, ensuring the chickens they raise are healthy and reliable. Choose reputable farms to ensure the quality of the chicken breed. Very important, remember to choose chicks that are young, agile, uniform in size, and especially have shiny eyes. Don't forget to pay attention to their vitality. The chick's digestive system needs to be clean, with no signs of blood or feces. Where you live, have you ever seen these special chickens? Please comment number 1 if yes, or don't forget to leave number 0 if no. You should raise them in a separate area, making sure they are provided with enough food, water, and suitable temperature conditions. Remember, chicks are very susceptible to cold weather, so make sure the raising area has enough light and a warm temperature so they can gradually adapt to their new environment. Preventing diseases in black chickens is also extremely important. When they are about 10 days old, vaccinate and provide appropriate medicines to increase resistance and help black chickens fight diseases. Good care from the first days will help your chickens grow up healthy and full of life. Chicken farmers in China care for black chickens with processed industrial feed, ensuring adequate supply of protein and minerals for the chickens to grow healthily. They also ensure that the drinking tray is cleaned every day, and provide clean water to protect the chicken's health. On black chicken farms in China, people often let the chickens go outside after a month of careful care in the coop. This is the most suitable method for this special breed of chicken, because they are more wild than regular chicken breeds. When released into the natural environment, black chickens have the opportunity to grow better, healthier, and more flexible. Black chickens here have the ability to fly well. They are raised in large cages and their wings are not clipped, so they can fly and jump freely. Farmers believe that letting chickens fly freely will make their meat firmer and tastier. During the time black chickens are released outside, they not only eat industrial feed but are also supplemented with grains such as corn, oats, and soybeans. These natural foods help enhance meat quality, making chicken more flavorful and nutritious. The process of raising black chickens requires more time and effort than other chicken breeds. Usually they are raised for up to 12 months before being marketed. The Chinese believe that raising chickens longer not only makes the meat tastier but also more nutritious. You may know that black chicken has been an indispensable part of Chinese culinary culture for thousands of years, considered a rare dish with healing and health-enhancing properties. Did you know, many studies have shown that black chicken meat contains twice as much carnosine as other types of chicken. Carnosine is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body from free radicals. Furthermore, black chicken has a higher protein concentration and lower fat content than regular chicken. Black chicken meat also contains many important nutrients such as vitamin B2, vitamin E, calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, and many other nutrients. Therefore, Chinese black chicken is not only a delicious dish but also an Oriental medicine food widely used nationwide. The combination of great flavor and health benefits has made black chicken an important part of many people's diets. How do you feel about this information? Please leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to support us in producing more interesting videos. Hello and see you in the next videos. This is our channel, and I'm excited to be part of the team that creates this content with our video editors and content creators.